podcast.
Welcome back to CBS This Morning, Saturday. We begin this half hour with a look at one of the communities most at risk during the coronavirus pandemic. Native Americans have long suffered from inadequate health care, and they have higher rates of diseases such as hypertension, diabetes, and heart disease that can make COVID-19 infections even worse. This week, we visited tribes in the West to see how they are struggling to get through this crisis. It's hard to imagine when you look at the vast vistas in the rural West. There's an overcrowding problem here. But there is a problem, and it's big. On tribal lands, even here, social distancing can be hard to do.
I know some of the affected houses out here in Easley, there's like 13, 14 people that live in that house. So, of course, they're going to get infected. So,
Terry Roberts is purchasing manager on the Wind River Reservation in Wyoming, home to the Eastern Shoshone and the Northern Arapaho tribes.
Housing is limited out here. It took me 6 or 7 years to get to my place. So, and that's after bouncing around from cousin's house to cousin's house,
As Native Americans, we have our sweat lodges that people go into. We do our prayer ceremonies.
Zena Aragon has 7 family members living at her house.
There's a lot of families that are having to live together just for the necessity of paying bills and car payments.
The overcrowded home situation is at least 16 times the national average.
Kevin Alice, CEO of the National Congress of American Indians, says federal funding for
practice, safe hygiene, social distancing, whatever, at their own discretion.